Hello and welcome to Como. Today I will show you how to get started using the Como CenterCam 3900H1 flatbed document camera. This is a great presentation tool that is a document camera and media center all in one. This model uses a high definition camera that helps you present documents and objects with great clarity. The CenterCam has built-in annotation capabilities and internal storage to capture photos and videos during your presentations. So, let's get started. Let's start by plugging in the power cable. Next, connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI output port on the dock cam and connect the other end to a projector or display device. For this demonstration, I would connect the 3900H1 dock cam to the Como Presentation Podium monitor. After you've connected the power and HDMI display cable, turn on the document camera and display. The QD3900 comes equipped with two arm lights that activate when the dock cam is powered on to provide evenly dispersed lighting. The arm lights and camera head have the ability to fold in a flat position for easy storage. Let's go over a few functions of the QD3900. Unfold the arm lights and the camera has the ability to rotate 330 degrees vertically. To adjust the image size, rotate this zoom and zoom out knob on the side of the camera. On the bottom right portion of the dock cam are the control functions and buttons. If you need to remember the different buttons and functions, we make it easy with this posted guide on the platform of the camera. First, this is a snap button which captures a still image. When you need an instant image adjustment, press the auto button which automatically adjusts the white balance, autofocus, and brightness with one click. Although the dock cam has internal storage, you can expand that storage by inserting an SD card here. Click this record button to record a video clip and press it a second time to stop the recording. The freeze button is a great option to make adjustments during your presentation while the audience takes notes on the previous section. To redisplay capture video and photos, click the playback button here. This is a great way to save your time if you're doing multiple presentations with the same content. Next, the rotate button allows you to rotate the image 90, 180, and 270 degrees. The light control allows you to switch between the arm lights and the backlight. The CenterCam 3900H1 also has a built-in whiteboard and annotation feature. This allows you to make notes and markups without the use of any computer. To access these features, connect the mouse to the USB slot on the side of the camera. Then click on the settings button and click the pen tools to switch to start annotating over your images. To use the whiteboard, click on the following icon. This pulls up a blank surface for you to write and draw freely. As you can see, Como's QD3900 flatbed document camera is a great tool for your presentations. It has built-in internal memory storage, built-in annotation capabilities, and a powerful camera lens. For more information, contact your local reseller or email us at hello@como.com. Also, make sure to follow our channel Como Solutions for more videos on advanced features with our products. Thank you.